It's our anniversary. I didn't even know you put the hat on.
Me.
It's our anniversary, y'all. We get ready to go out and enjoy y'all carefree time.
Happy anniversary.
This little ass bit of time we about to have to ourselves. We get ready to go eat.
Badass.
We ain't trying to unbig our backs today. We're starving.
Every day.
Lies.
Every day we lit. Every day we lit. We gotta eat every day. We hungry. Fuck with me.
Tell them what we gonna eat.
Seafood.
And what else? What else I say I wanted?
Me.
What else? I got you. What else? I want
and
you.
I got you.
I want you. What else I say I wanted to eat? You forgot? You forgot? I said what I said I wanted from Crafty Crab. Why I wanted to go there.
You said you want the sauce?
I said there's something that's good.
I don't know. Not the hush puppies.
See how much attention she paid to me, y'all?
I don't know. It's too much.
This 2 years since I made her mine. And she forget that fast what I say I want.
Okay, whatever. But she still gonna get it,
I said the fries.
Girl, you don't need that shit.
That's
anybody fuck the fries. That's no regular
no, baby,
like
their fries is good.
Bet.
Their fries is good.
We'll rate it.
Girl, bye.
What the fuck are you talking about?
She funny.
The fuck?
She gonna get mad at me because she forgot what I said I wanted that fast.
You didn't make the fries.
We was just talking about where we was going and why we was gonna go where we wanted to go about an hour ago.
For seafood?
Yeah, for the seafood. But I did say I want to go there because their fries is good as shit and I want some mussels.
Well,
but anyway, y'all.
The fries, and so what is fries?
I'm gonna bring y'all along with us today for a little bit. I ain't doing a whole bunch of vlogging, but I do want y'all to share the experience of whatever we do to celebrate the day. We was talking about going to go get matching tattoos, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because we ain't got the idea all together. Somebody else coming to the door now. Yes, baby. A guy's coming to the door. Maintenance is coming to the door again. Anyway, y'all, they just trying to keep us in this house and keep us starved, and we ain't trying to starve. I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stand.
Did it.
Okay.
Oh, it's recording already?
Yes.
Why did you do that?
I pressed it before I said it down.
You didn't even have to say it.
I told you the angle was okay at first.
It really wasn't.
This is what the titty boy. They just been looking see this? She messed up again. You see, it's all her and that's where the hook is. And it keeps scratching the inside of my mouth.
And she ain't covered it yet.
Okay. Look at that beautiful face.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I wanted to ask.
And the back of that beautiful head. I love our baby. Yep, yep. I love our kid. I told you. They're fries be busted, y'all. We got the fries.
Let me get it.
No. There we go. They so good. They are so good. Y'all can see they look like they use like the Cajun, some type of batter on them or something. They so good.
Good seasoning that way. I remember them.
Our food has arrived. Open your open
open yours and let me see.
Let me see what you got in there. She got a which was called a mix. Which was it called?
Something right here. A seafood platter.
She got a seafood platter. Shrimp, snow crab, mussels, corn, potatoes. Why it seem like something missing? Oh,
and clam.
Green lip mussels and I didn't know clam was in it. And clam. That looks so good.
Thank you. Thanks for you.
Over there.
Let me open yours for you.
These fries busting.
What's that steam up? How's that steam up? Oh, yours smells so good.
Thank you.
Look at that. You got potatoes and corn in yours? That's what you think.
And I better have my egg in there.
That one is good. Yeah, you got an egg in there.
Only one? Hopefully it's two. Green lip mussels, shrimp, potatoes, eggs, corn. Yeah. We're ready to bust it down.
Yeah.
The baby is finishing up her food. Y'all just missed it. She did a potato volcano. And it looks so good. My food, I still got
much more left.
Yeah, me too. I got a lot left, y'all. I don't be able to eat a whole bunch of stuff like that in one sitting.
I'm getting the cancel culture.
Tag team in. But at the same time, at the same damn time.
Hey y'all, it's days and days and days later. I don't remember the last time I picked up this camera, but anyway.
Cause y'all can't see us.
We outside.
All day, every day.
What we doing, what we getting into.
Y'all need to mind y'all business. Y'all keep wanting to know what the fuck we doing. It's that splat. Don't worry about that, sweetheart.
We outside.
We
Real
outside.
bad.
Catch me if you can.
We on our way to a wine fest.
We on our way to wine on the water. You know what I'm saying? We was there last year doing it big. Another year again.
I'm just going to show my dress. Show my dress off.
I'm just going for them to see me. I don't really care about it being my baby. It's us, never them.
So I'm gonna do some recording there
To see what is adventurous at this event. Catch y'all there. Smoke never cleared.
Hey, turned up. And I'm not playing. Okay, I'm not playing. I'm not playing. This is what I run into after we done been wet and had a couple drinks. These bitches out here harmonizing and thinking I'm not gonna catch this shit on camera.
Do you hear the lyrics?
Bruh, I do. I do. That's why I said, oh, they playing real bad.
Oh look, it's a shadow.
Girl. Wow.
He
Only got two lamps.
No, what was that what you said?
That fucking girl, I'm dying. I'm dying. Me and two of my homegirls, we came up with a song in the fucking 6th grade. Okay, I still remember that fucking song. I'm about to be 36 this year. I still remember that shit.
Not supposed to be saying what
We was not. But who cares? Who cares? Oh my God.
We gotta get you on camera.
Girl, I'm the one behind the camera, okay? Tonight. I'm not ready to put myself out there. They done seen me enough, okay? I'm not ready. Look. Oh my God, but y'all, they sound so good. They sound so good. This is what I run into when I be coming to shit like this. Play with her.
So many. Say, I can say for real.
Play with her. Don't even fucking say.
shuttle, y'all. We waiting for the shuttle?
Yeah.
No, I'm not, but y'all are.
Let's go.
Y'all drop. Get back to where y'all going safely. It was nice to meet y'all. I'm Kai.
Oh, you got an Instagram page?
Yeah, I did. It's Kai Kaylee Carly. Girl, I'm gonna have to put it in. I'm gonna have to put it in.
Already, hold on. Okay.
But I do YouTube, so y'all gonna be on my YouTube. So yeah, definitely.
Okay, go
Check
ahead
in.
and type it in.
Wait, KYA. Oh shit. KY. Okay. Underscore. Girl, yes, cause like, here we go.
Okay, I'm
Y'all done did it for me. Give me a hug, girl. Safe travels.
Yes, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, girl. Same to you. It be stuff like that, y'all. I be meeting people randomly, and they be giving life, okay? They be giving life. I honestly love this shit. The vibes be vibing. But I need to call my girlfriend and see where the hell she is. So we just gonna go ahead and like end this shit so I can find out where she is. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. This is my baby right here. She made sure a bitch was straight. She made sure we ain't leave our stuff or none of that. They getting us transportation to our vehicle. Period. Her and bro. They making sure we good. Coco done left her goddamn phone once again. Okay. Hey. We gonna forever fuck with them.
Oh my Lord.
Hey. We know we gonna have a fucking good time. We know we gonna be good. Period.
Yes.
Y'all gotta learn how to get them people involved in your life.
About, I'ma say 13 years.
Really? Y'all gotta learn how to get them people in your lives that's gonna be around for long lasting. And not just those buckethead bitches that's gonna be around for 2 years.
in you.
And be hating on y'all, all that shit. She coming back, so she must have found her shit.
It gotta be in you.
But yeah, if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. You ain't got that shit, but I got it. I'm real big on personalities. I'm real big on auras and all of that shit. So if you ain't for me, baby, I know all break. If you for me, I know, period. Off top.
Take this one, but I be needing a bigger bag.
Okay. Yeah, because we ain't got no whole bunch to go in there. But yeah, y'all. I'm just one of them kind of people. I'm a Cancer, so
Yes. And nowadays,
I run off of personality.
Run to good people, you gotta hold on to them.
Yeah, you do.
Exactly. So that's why I was just about to say.
But all the time, you still don't even know. But I'm real big on auras.
Close connection.
I'm real big on auras. It's either if I loosen up around you, your family. I got it. We locked.
Listen.
If I don't,
After all fucking day, out of every fucking thing.
If I don't,
you won't forget the shit.
if I don't,
That's
baby,
what I say. Even if
We
it's
ain't
at the
family.
beginning, even if it's in the middle, it will be some shit that you won't forget.
she
You
fucked
gotta
up.
respect it. And it's real, for real.
But
Like
yeah,
that ass.
This is my fucking baby, y'all. This is my fucking sweetheart. She evil as fuck though, but this is my baby. It's my fucking baby. Good morning, guys. Today is Kaylee's graduation day, and we are on our way.
Nope. Look.
With Ladybug in the back, Ladybug in the cut.
She had her ceremony already.
Yes, hers was yesterday. I might insert some clips from that. We ready. Let's see what middle school has to bring. Hopefully a whole lot better than elementary. No, straight. Yeah. We'll holler back when we get there. You going to represent for your sister?
Yes.
You going to see your sister graduate?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you excited for her?
Yes.
We are so excited for her. You look so cute.
I hope you do a great job like me. I hope you don't do wild out and be bad.
Don't walk in front of me, baby. Go to the right. She gonna say, I hope she don't wild out and be bad. I hope she do a great job like me.
Oh yeah, great job.
London Brown.
She made it back. She made it back.
One list.
Thank you.
Hey, why you snatching?
Where did you bring this?
What?
The umbrella.
Y'all gonna have to go and
I don't
stand for that,
remember.
though. And I don't think y'all want to. I'm eating the candy.
Oh, good. Look at Mama right there.
I'm like, how the fuck my umbrella get up here?
Look at birthday boy. What, Ma?
Look. Where's the other one I had four? Wait, did she stop? Oh, God.
I didn't do it. Release me. She was my student. Let me be the one to bring us. She was clean. She was cute. Check me. She was clean.
Because he left. It was like, damn, nigga, you didn't even help me, but you wasn't even coming for fucking help anyway. Get that fucking bug spray, please. Like, they just right here. It's right here.
May I have your attention, please? All swimmers must stay within the designated swimming area. No swimmers are allowed to be outside the swimming ropes. If you are outside the ropes, you must return to the swimming area or the shore at this time.
Bitch. Gotcha, bitch.
Hot chow shit.
You hot?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, yeah, for the camera.
No, it's a good breeze. Oh, yeah, for the camera. That's what I'm saying.
Definitely for the
It
camera.
was just sitting there.
Well, I don't know. It's not even bad for the camera, honestly.
It's not really that bad out here. It's actually nice, but I know that my skin on this side is
These
hotter
bugs.
than anything. Yeah, that's
These
gotcha,
bugs,
bitch.
though.
Mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire.
Man, baby, just chilling. We gonna be black as shit by the time we leave here.
Definitely. That's why I'm like trying to be without you.
We gonna be Christies. We gonna be brownies. Brownie for my brownie.
Toasted, grilled, roasted.
What we come from. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a garden. Count to 10, lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment.
She's on a jet ski.
Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break?
She riding the jet ski.
I need to get away.
Turned out to be nice after all, y'all. Turned out to be very nice. I really enjoyed my day. Don't come for my wig because I don't give a damn. You gotta go potty? Coco! She gotta use a pot. Coco! No, she gotta go. She did not go. She's trying to hold it. You know how she is. A little bit. You still gotta pee? Then why you holding yourself? Ew, you dirty. Ew. Why you do that? You didn't come tell mom you had to use a pot. Anyway, y'all. I enjoyed myself. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for coming. Thanks for spending the day with us. I love you all. Remember, God loves you more. And I will see y'all in the next vlog. Until then, bye.